basically an RU7400, but I think it's going to be pretty similar to last year's NU74, so it's entry level-ish 4K TV. So pedestal base, the lugs, screw packs will be somewhere. Oh yeah, screw packs shoved in there, but I'll get that out in a moment. Remote pack, so it's got the basic smart remote in, plasticky one, but that's cool. So I'll just pop that down there for a moment. Line the box out, see what else is in there. So only thing left is the pedestal base, and it is wide. And what I will do, I'll quickly just measure that because someone will ask how wide it is, so I may as well find out now. The tape measure was actually on my pocket. So 34 inches or 860mm, 86 centimetres. There we go. That's the width. I'll just pop these down there and build them up now. I'm all equipped. That's the other screw pack. So the only difference I think with the NU was black. This is like a grey sort of brushed finish. A bit of metal there, plastic base. Oh. We went to using concrete now. So I'll take that screw pack out before I attach it and wonder where it is. Screw pack hidden in there. The idea is got a hook, locates into there, so pop it on and it slots in nicely. If I just turn that around so you can see it, that's the cable hiding bit, so cable's out the bottom there into there. Let's take that off. Got some machine screws, and I'm guessing they're all the same, so it doesn't matter what I put where. Do a fast forward. So, put my poly back in the box. I've got a impromptu workbench. So, back to that. Got the two tabs again there, and the lugs there. So, on the back of here, two slots for those to go in, and the lugs to locate into those portions there. So we'll just pop that in. It says. There we go. Pop my remaining 4 machine screws in. Quick fast forward. Cool. So I'll put the cable cover on for now, even though I've not got the cables in. Just quickly, while we've got it here, I'll just take a quick thickness measurement. So from front to back 60mm again, or 2 and a bit inches, because we don't do inches much, but 60mm, 6cm. So looking at the back, which will figure 8 mains in. Oh, it's got legacy connections, so either composite if you're going yellow, red and white, or component if you're using your red, green, blue and phono for analog audio. But looking at the connections there, digital audio out, half amp USB, 1 amp USB, HDMI 3 is ARC, so there's just 3 HDMIs, 2 and 1. Single satellite tuner, so that's watch only, I guess. And digital terrestrial TV in. It's going to be the spacers on the back. So I'll just bring the remote pack, and we will have a quick look while we've got it out. So if you were wall mounting, because somebody asked about this last time, and I think they actually got long bolts there and other ones there, so it would have bellowed out. So the idea is you've got a spacer pack there. If I open it up, so it's going to be 50mm M8 bolts. It's 200mm square by 200mm, so well, square, isn't it? You can see the spacers there, look longer, but the TV tapers thin at that end, so if your VESA wall bracket is on there, the TV is going to be square against the wall or parallel to the wall. The screen will be, that's the idea. So take those out because we don't need those. Quickly look at the remotes. So, standard smart remote, same buttons anyway, updated, so it's got Netflix, Prime Video, Rakuten, volume up and down, and in for mute, channels up and down, and in for guide, home, play, pause, back, cursors, microphone button, your numbers and colours on and off. So that's Bluetooth and infrared. AA batteries in that one. And I'll put it there for a sec. And then I'm not going to get it out, but standard Freeview remote or standard remote. AAA batteries on that one. Cool. Oh. It's a bit sad they've took all the start demos away.
He's trying to be all macho about.
Bowls of tomato sauce and gallons of cheese. I don't think that's what the Italians had in mind when they created all these beautiful pasta shapes.
To find out what's so different about each.
Let's get a little bit more on all of this now. I'm joined by Katie Dawn in Dublin. She's the head of government policy for the British Irish Chamber of Commerce. Sylvie Martelli is in Paris and is Deputy Director of IRIS, a French Institute for International and Strategic Affairs. And I'm also joined by Pauline Bock, a journalist for the New Statesman in Brussels. It's good to see you all. Thanks very much indeed for being with us. Katie, if I could start with you in Dublin. we heard the meeting between Leo Varadkar and Emmanuel Macron today, and they both made it clear that if there was going to be any kind of extension to Article 50, which we now know Theresa May wants, there has to be a plan, a credible plan, to back up that extension. Do you see anything in what Theresa May said tonight that amounts to a credible plan?
I suppose she hasn't really put forward much detail in what she's going to look